In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send email through Constant Contact. To get started, sign into your Constant Contact account and go to the Contacts page. This is the area where all of your saved subscribers and contact records are listed. If you have a large list, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct account and viewing the correct contact list, because that will help you avoid sending to the wrong person. Once you are on the Contacts page, use the search field to find the specific contact you want to email. You can usually search by name or by other identifying details depending on what is saved in the profile. When you see the correct contact in the results, tick the checkbox next to their name. This checkbox is important because it tells Constant Contact exactly who you are selecting for the next action. Before moving on, double-check that you selected the right contact, especially if there are similar names in your database. Next, look for the Actions button. Click Actions and then select Send Email. This will open the sending workflow and connect your selected contact to an email campaign. Now you will choose the email campaign you want to send. Constant Contact will show you a list of available campaigns, so take a moment to pick the one that matches what you intend to deliver. If your campaigns have similar titles, read them carefully so you select the correct message. Once you have chosen the campaign, click Continue to move forward. On the review screen, you will see the details of what you are about to send. This is your last checkpoint. Review the campaign name and confirm that the recipient selection is correct. Also pay attention to any summary details shown on this page, so you feel confident the right email is going to the right person. When everything looks correct, click Send Now. Constant Contact will send the email immediately using the campaign you selected. That covers everything you need to know.